Alright fellas, okay, so I got Roger Moore's Asec locking device, and it's brought to you by none other than dun, 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 Texas Jim's Evil Lock Factory, Waco, Texas. Just kidding. Okay, so here's the bidding on the key. Not too bad a bidding, but one heck of an evil lock. There it is, operating freely, and the many times I've picked it off camera, just can't seem to get it on camera here, but not from the lack of trying. So this is attempt 472. No, just kidding. Quite a few though. Alright, so top of the keyway tension into the beat up used keyway. Making my way towards the back of the lock. Keeping my fingers crossed and an optimistic outlook on life. Oh no. Okay, there's a little something. Got a little something out of that. And that didn't feel good. That's the story of my life here, fellas. Minute and 45 seconds of total waste of time. Okay, here we go again. Don't piss me off, lock. This could be it, guys. 2 minutes 48 seconds, huh? Alright, this is the delicate part of the operation. Gotta get pin 1 set now. I'm pretty sure that's where we're at. Big false set. Pin 1 stuck. God help me. Messed up keyway, so we can't get any backwards rotation on it, but I know that's what I got to do right now. And there it is, open. And that's really the major problem on this lock, is being able to counter rotate that plug. Anyway, so that you can get past some of the threading that I believe is in there. I haven't seen. Alright, 3 minutes 50 seconds. Sorry about that first false attempt. Think there's any chance I can gut this thing without making a total wreck out of it? I mean, it's possible. Alright. Okay. Alright. Clip off. And time for the right follower. Is that it? I know this thing's going to be a disaster here. We'll keep the pins that way. Is that the right one? No. Sorry, guys. A little bit nervous here. Alright. Okay, that went okay. It's pin 1. 2. Pin 1 is serrated. 2 is majorly serrated. 3 is also serrated. Whoops. 4 mucho serrations. 5 and 6. And there's our plug with some pretty good threading in there. Can you see that? Man, I sure wish I could be better at this camera stuff. All threaded. No counter milling. I see threading everywhere. Okay. Tweezers. Alright, I got the wrong end of this in there, but that's okay. Alright. Come on out. Okay, so pin 1 coming out just like that. Driver 1, and it's a serrated barrel looking kind of a thing. Whoops, don't know which way that one came out. Sorry about that. This is where it's going to get bad because I can't see in here. Old age is taking its effect on me. And there's 3. Don't know which way that one came out. And I think I'm going to give up trying to find out which way they came out, because I'm just going to lose them. Alright. So there's those 2. And those things are pretty crazy looking. And then once again, I see threading in there. Do I see threading in there? No, I don't even see if there's threading in there. Anyway, let's have a look at these pins and then call this a done deal. I may have to look at someone else's video to see exactly how the pins came out. So let's see if we can get a close-up shot of those pins. Alright. So you can see some pretty spooky pins in there. Craziness. As we knew about Texas Jim. Because that's how he rolls. Alright, man, well, thanks a lot, Roger Moore, for the lock. Appreciate it. It was a lot of fun to pick. Trying to get it on camera and everything, and those pins sure are crazy. If you haven't checked out Roger's channel, go ahead and take a look at that. He's a really great picker, really nice guy. And don't forget to check out Texas Jim's channel also, because man, he's the guy that's making these crazy pins. Alright guys, happy picking and have a great day. Take care.